As a trader, you know that the key to success is having the right tools in your arsenal. That's where we come in. Our Forex software company has developed trading indicators that will revolutionize the way you trade. But here's the thing. If you're not using our indicators, you'll never be profitable. You might think you know what you're doing, but trust us, you're missing out on something big. Our indicators are the difference between success and failure. So, if you're serious about becoming a profitable trader, watch this video. We'll show you exactly how our indicators work and how they can help you achieve your trading goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your trading to the next level. Watch the video now and start your journey to profitable trading. So this is what it looks like whenever you add it to the chart, okay? So let's take a look over here at this section. And this section here allows us to see the overall trend of the market, all right, based on the colors in here. So this section over here is our uGenesys scanner. And this is what enables us to assess the market and let us know that we're in an uptrend right now, okay? Because this system here is powered by cutting-edge AI technology that uses time series analysis and genetic algorithms to accurately identify market trends and also provides reliable signals for when to buy or sell, okay? So right here is our uGenesys scanner. And so we know that we're in an uptrend because we see the different elements here in green. So first, you can look up here, and this up here is our uGenesys scanner. And inside here, where you see the AI, this section here is called the neurobrain. This is in green, okay? And right below that, you can see these lines here. This is our volume section, and it's also green. And below that, we also have this section here, our momentum, and it's also green. So this indicates that we are in the uptrend, all right, guys? And so over here is where we can see the intra-trends, all right? So we can see we have sections here where the candles are in blue, and also some other sections where the candles are in red. So the blue candles indicate the uptrend, and the red candles indicate the downtrend. And you could also change the colors if you'd like, because it's fully customizable, okay? And so, guys, even though we're seeing some downtrends here, we had already assessed from our uGenesys scanner that we are in the uptrend. The overall direction of the market is in an uptrend, okay? So therefore, we'll be seeking to take buy positions in this case, all right? So the strategy is, if we see a buy alert, for example, right here, what we'd want to do in this case is to wait for this candle here to close, all right? This bar here to close, and then we'll enter on the next candle. Okay, so you can set a take profit of 20 pips or 50 pips. It's really dependent on you and what you want to take from the market at that particular day, all right? Now, another important thing to keep in mind is that you also need to know when to exit the market. So, for example, if we took a buy position at this particular date here, the 30th of March, so we'd wait for this candle to close, then we go over here and take our buy position. And if you see the market continues to go up all the way up here, but then you reach here and you see that the color starts to change to red, all right, then that is an indication that we need to exit this buy entry here, because that means that the momentum has now shifted a bit. So therefore, we need to exit at this point, okay? So that is my tip here for entering trades. So you always want to exit the trades if you see the color starting to change in the candles. So it's a pretty simple strategy, guys. So you first look at the overall trend over here from our uGenesys scanner, and then you take a look at the market here for confirmation. And so there you have it, guys. That's an introduction to our super amazing indicator here, our uGenesys AI indicator. So to get this indicator, you can go ahead and click on the link below, all right? And thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.